This is a step-by-step guide. Following are the step-by-step guide how to connect first time Raspberry Pi to laptop or PC. Step 1. Insert memory card in laptop and format micro SD card using SD card formatter. Step 2. Flash the Raspbian files to the micro SD card using etcher. Step 3. After that, create one file into memory card to enable SSH. To create SSH file, go to command prompt and type echo f:/SSH. Here is my case F is memory card location. See what's in your case. Step 4. Now open the memory card file and look for a file named cmdline.txt. Open the file and add the following line to the cmdline.txt. The IP is 192.168.137.2 and save the file. Adding IP address in the command line. Here we have written the IP address. Step 5. Now eject the SD card from laptop and plug into your Raspberry Pi board. Power up the Raspberry Pi board. Now plug the Ethernet cable to the Raspberry Pi board and laptop. First connect to Raspberry Pi board, after that connect to the PC. Now go to Ethernet connection and set the IP address as 192.168.137.1. Now open PuTTY and enter above IP address in host or IP address column 192.168.137.2. Then click on open. This IP address needs to be same for both of them. Just the serial number can be different. That is the last digit. It must be different. Step 10. Here your Raspberry Pi board is connected to the laptop. Now log into the Raspberry Pi board using the login username and password given below. To open desktop of Raspberry Pi on your PC, install VNC server through PuTTY console. Go to PuTTY, which is already open, and type sudo apt get install lite VNC server. If asked, press Y, then type Y and enter. VNC server. Maybe here it asks for password, give password Raspberry. Now open VNC viewer or mobile extern and type the IP address. You can see this IP address in the PuTTY console. After opening Raspberry Pi desktop, go to terminal and type the following command: sudo apt get update, sudo apt get upgrade, and sudo rpi update.